Mga kababayan, politics is a matter that I have not discussed with former President Rodrigo Duterte, nor have I discussed my positions on national issues with President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. On separate occasions, the President and the former President similarly expressed concerns over my well-being. I assured them that I would take care of myself as I carry out my duties and responsibilities as Vice President and the Secretary of the Department of Education. It is clear that both men are blessed with the heart to respect the will of a woman. Both leaders are also gifted with the wisdom to know that I am not a problem and I do not need to be solved. Rather, this is the time to focus on the work that needs to be done for the country. Halimbawa nito ay ang kalidad ng edukasyon, ang patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin kasama na ng pagkain, at ang isyu ng terorismo, kriminalidad, kawalan ng katiyakan ng ating seguridad at kapayapaan. As a Mindanaoan, I am a witness to how violence spawned poverty, lack of livelihood, internal displacement, and inequitable access to education opportunities for our children and the youth, which ultimately made the violence of radicalism more appealing to them. Nitong nakaraan lang ay nasaksihan natin ang pagdadalamhati ng naulilang pamilya ni na Corporal Crizalde Espartero, Private First Class Carl Aranya, Private Jesse James Corpus, at Private Marvin Dumaging. The death of 4 soldiers in an ambush in Maguindanao del Sur points us to the painful truth that terrorism remains a fundamental problem that requires our collective action as a nation. Lumaban tayo kontra terorismo. Suportahan natin ang edukasyon ng kabataan, suportahan natin ang ating kasundaluhan sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay impormasyon tungkol sa kalaban. Iakyat natin sa mga lokal na pamahalaan ang pagbigay prioridad sa seguridad natin bilang mamamayan. Maraming mga sundalong Pilipino na ang nagbuwis ng buhay para sa kapayapaan ng ating bansa. Dili unta nato sayangon ang ilang kabayanihon pinaagi sa atong pagpakita ng kitahuyang at tubangan sa kabangis sa terorismo. Unahin natin ang Pilipino, unahin natin ang Pilipinas. Syukran.